Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to redact PDFs using Adobe Acrobat. First, you want to open Adobe Acrobat, then go and click on your computer first, then go and click on Browse. Then I'm going to search for the PDF that I want to redact. I'm going to use this PDF, for example. Then I'm going to go and click on the tools, all tools. Then I'm going to go and search for edit a PDF. Then after you go to edit a PDF, go to redact a PDF. Then here you should click on redact text and images. Then click on next, then click on finish. And now you want to select this right here. Then you should click on it like so, and it will redact it. Now, if you want to change the color of the text like so, just like this, and it will be redacted. You can even redact pages by clicking on redact pages and type here the pages that you want to redact. You can even go and click on find text and redact, click on OK, then find a specific word. Let's say that I will redact anxiety, for example, and search and remove text. You can even go to set properties and choose the color of the redact. I'm going to use the white color. Then I'm going to go and click on OK, and I will select these things right here. I'm going to go and click on properties again. I'm going to select the fill-in color, the white, and you have to click on OK. Then I'm going to click on apply. Then here it will show you this message. Click on continue, and now you can save it right here. And now here, as you can see, this is the redacted one. It has the files in black and white. It's to remove some of the text and replace it by the white, and here it replaced some of the text by the black. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.